Hello, today we will guide you through how to view trade history in ThinkorSwim. To begin, open the ThinkorSwim app. Give the platform a moment to load completely so all tabs and data populate correctly. Once you're in, we'll move straight to the section that holds your past activity. Look toward the main navigation and click on Monitor. This tab is where you review what has happened in your account, including positions, activity, and statements. It's designed for post-trade review, so it's the right place to confirm fills, check execution details, and reconcile results. Within the Monitor tab, click on Account Statement. This area provides a historical snapshot of your account for a selected time period. You'll use it to narrow down exactly which days you want to review, and then open the trade details tied to that range. Next, click on the option labeled One Day Back from Today. This is a convenient preset that quickly sets the view to capture the most recent activity without manual date entry. If you made trades today or yesterday, this is an efficient way to pull them up immediately. If you need a broader or different window, select the date range. You can choose a custom period, such as a specific week or month, or use other quick presets to move faster. Keep in mind that very wide ranges can take longer to load and may include a lot of data. If you're investigating a particular trade, try to set the narrowest period that still includes the day it executed. This helps the platform return results more quickly and keeps the view focused on what matters. Now open the Trade History drop-down to view the result. Expanding this section reveals your executed trades for the chosen dates. You'll see entries grouped by symbol and time with details like side, quantity, price, and any associated fees or commissions, along with the net effect on your account. If you notice partial fills, the trade may appear as several line items with timestamps that add up to the total quantity. You can collapse and expand symbols as needed to keep the view tidy. If you don't see anything right away, confirm the date range includes your trade dates and make sure the correct account is selected if you manage more than one. Also remember that only executed trades appear in trade history. Open or canceled orders are shown in other areas of the Monitor tab. That's it. Open ThinkorSwim, go to Monitor, choose Account Statement, pick your dates, and expand trade history to review your fills with clarity and confidence.